Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking salted fish and chicken fried rice. So let's start cooking. First we'll need to marinate the chicken. This is 250 grams of chicken thigh. I've removed the skin and cut them into small cubes like this. Okay, like this. Marinating is very easy. I just need white pepper, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Now we'll mix this up well first before we add in the corn flour. Once this is mixed up, we'll add in 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Mix them up well together and leave them to marinate for about 20 minutes. I'll see you back in a while. We're going to start pan frying the salted fish first. I'll be using 2 pieces of salted fish that's soaked in oil. Remove the bones, of course, and just finely cut it up into small pieces like this. You don't have to cut way too small because once you fry them, they will actually disintegrate easily. Just cut through the skin. Okay. Now that the pan is hot, we'll add oil in. You can put more oil, it's okay, no problem. It will be easier to fry with more oil. Swirl the oil around. Now once the oil is hot, turn the heat down to medium or medium-low and we'll fry the salted fish now. You'll splatter a little, so just be careful. Just fry them for approximately a minute or so. I can already smell the fragrance that's coming out from here. It smells really, really good. Right, they will disintegrate like what I said just now. Okay. Now we'll add in the chicken that we've marinated just now. Put them all in. Smells so good. You can turn the heat up a little now. Just a little bit more will be fine. Medium heat. Just cook them until they turn white. Actually, just this on top of plain steamed rice will be very, very good too. As you can see, the chicken has turned white already. So we're just going to remove this from heat and put it aside. You don't have to wash the wok. The residue here is actually from the chicken as well as the salted fish. It's actually very fragrant. Just add a little bit more oil. We're going to fry the eggs now. 6 eggs beaten up. Just pour them in. We need to cook them around 70% before we add in the rice. Keep moving them around. It'll be faster and easier. As you can see, most of the egg has solidified. So we add in the rice. These 4 bowls of cooked rice, cooked from 2 cups of uncooked rice. Just stir them around. Make sure you mix them up well. I'm using overnight rice here. Why is it so? Because it's drier and plus it's easier to fry. But of course, if you want to use rice that you have just cooked, not a problem. Just spread it out and let it air dry for a while before you actually fry them. You can turn the heat up higher now. We're going to fry them for a few minutes. Make sure you mix them up well. Add in 1.5 teaspoon of chicken stock powder. Stir them up well. Now if you don't want to use chicken stock powder, you can actually add in oyster sauce if you want to. Just a tablespoon will be fine. You just have to make sure that you really stir them up well so that the saltiness is evenly distributed. Frying rice will need a little bit of patience because you really need to fry a little bit dry, otherwise it will not taste that good. Okay, once it's almost dried up, we'll put in the chicken. Pour everything in. Mix them up well. This is going to taste so good. Look at how beautiful this is. Add in just a tablespoon of light soy sauce. This will enhance the flavor even more. Mix it up well again. Now we'll taste the saltiness to see whether we need to add in any more soy sauce or salt or not. Really good. Really, really good. I think we can add in another tablespoon of light soy sauce. Spread it around. Add in pepper. What is fried rice without pepper, right? Oh, this smells really, really good. Now for the final touch, we'll add in spring onions. 2 stalks of spring onions. Mix it up well. Off the flame and we are ready to serve. And ladies and gentlemen, we've finished cooking our fried rice. So let's have a taste. This is really, really good. Reminds me of Hong Kong when I eat this dish at this Cha Chan Tang. It's really, really good. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.